Hello, my name is Saus Trakma, and I'm currently pursuing BTech in Electronics and Communication from MIT University, Rajasthan. In this presentation, I will be discussing about the internship details and the things which have been taught by Emertxe. In the next slide, we have the table of contents. In this table of contents, we have the goals of the internship, overview of internship, microwave oven, and conclusion. The goals of the internships are to learn basics of C programming and embedded C, to learn programming microcontroller, to learn embedded system, to build microwave project oven. We have also learned about C programming and got introduced to embedded C. We have learned about microcontroller and microprocessor and the difference between them. We have learned about embedded systems. And lastly, we have also completed a project on microwave oven based on MPLAB simulator. In this slide, we have the overview of the internship. We have embedded C, microcontroller, and the difference between them. Introduction to embedded system. Interfaces of Picsimlab, like LEDs, digital keypad, interrupts, timers, CLCD, and matrix keypad. And we have microwave project demo to show, which I have built with the help of our mentors from Emertxe. In this slides, we've learned about C programming. C programming is a versatile and widely used programming language known for its efficiency and flexibility. Let us see the hello world code of the C program. First, we have the standard IO header file, and we have the main function. And after that, we have the printer functions, which prints any type of message like characters, numbers, etc. And with this code, we get the output hello world. Let's see the basic data types in C. We have integral. In integral, we have character and integer. And in floating point, we have float and double. And we have other basic data types as well, which have been discussed. We've also learned about conditional constructs. In conditional constructs, we have single iteration and multi-iteration. In single iteration, we have if and its family and switch cases. While in multi-iteration, we have for, while, and do loop cases. Now let us see what we have in operators. We have arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, and assignment operators. And here you can see all the operators description and the examples given. We've also learned about array and pointers. Array is a collection of same data type. Declaration of array goes by type array name, and in bracket you write array size. Whereas a pointer is a variable whose value is the address of another variable, that is, direct address of the memory location. Let's see the C function. A function is a relation or expression involving one or more variables. The syntax of the function of a function can be written as return data type function name. In bracket you write argument one, argument two, and so on. And after that you have the function body. The C preprocessor is not part of a compiler but is a separate step in the compilation process. All preprocessor commands begin with a hash symbol. It must be a not. The preprocessor is not part of the compiler but is a separate step in the compilation process. All preprocessor commands begin with a hash symbol. It must be the first non-blank character, and for readability, a preprocessor directive should be in the first complement. Examples like hash include, hash define, hash undef. A header file is file A microcontroller is a compact integrated circuit designed to govern a specific operation in an embedded system. A typical microcontroller includes a processor, memory, and input-output peripherals on a single chip. Examples like 8085 PIC microcontroller. PIC microcontroller is a family of microcontrollers made by Microchip Technology. Now let us see the difference between microprocessor and microcontroller. In microcontroller, it has been designed for specific tasks and control applications, whereas in microprocessor, it has been designed for various computing tasks. Microprocessor includes CPU, memory, I/O ports, timers, and peripherals on a single chip, where microprocessor is is a standalone chip, like memory and peripherals are separate components. When we see the cost and size, microprocessors cost is quite low and the size is also small, but microcontroller size is large, and the price of the microcontroller is also high compared to microprocessor. The microprocessor consumes less power and it is power efficient. Microcontroller is not power efficient. It also depends upon the hardware. Examples of microprocessors like automotive control, IoT devices, home appliances, and robotics. Whereas microcontroller examples are personal computers, servers, smartphones, and general purpose computing device. Now let us see what is an embedded system. Any combination of hardware and software which is intended to do a specific task can be called as embedded system. Like examples of embedded system include microwave oven, which we'll be building in this project, MP3, which is used to play songs, and for DVD players, which allows us to view the video, and GPS receivers, industrial robots, and all those things. We have gaming consoles as well in embedded system. Let us see the architecture of Picsimlab. As a main chip, we have the microcontroller PIC16F877A. We have LEDs, SSDs, digital keypad, buzzer, matrix keypad, and CLCD, analog to digital converter, temperature sensor LM35, GPIO. LEDs are connected externally to microcontroller port. It works like a diode. Digital keypad provides simple and cheap interface. It is mostly based on tactile switches. CLCD is used to display SKY characters with some custom symbols. This is the board of the Pixim lab. We have buzzer, fan, microcontroller, as well as reset button, LEDs, keypad, display, CLCD, or you can say. Now let us move up to the microwave oven, which we have built as a project. For this project to build, we need the software and hardware requirement, which we have done. For the software requirement, you need MPLAB IDE and XCS compiler with Picsimlab simulator board. Header file main.h CLCD matrix keypads and timers. And for source file, we have clcd.c, isr.c, main.c, matrix keypad.c, timer.c. We have made the main coding in the main.c, which includes all the conditions, loops, and everything. Now let us build this project over here and see whether it works. The build is successful, and then now let us see how we can implement in Picsimlab. Once you finish building the hex file, you have to load the hex file into this, and then you have to prompt into the main menu, which you have four options in the main menu, which are micro, grill, convection, and start. If you press micro option, you'll be you'll be prompted the set time menu having minutes and seconds. Put the seconds how much you want, and if you want to clear the minutes, you can press the start button and then re-enter again. If you press hash, it will enter and then start the timer. Once you start the timer, the fans also start moving. The fans also turns on and then start spinning. Over here, you can either pause as well as stop. If you press 5, it will pause the operation and then press 4 to resume. And if you press 6, it will stop the whole operation and then take you back to the main menu. In the grill option, we have the same options. You can enter the seconds as well as the hour and then press enter and then it will resume. And in the third option, we have the convection mode. Here you have to enter the temperature, how much you want, and then press enter. It will start preheating up of 180 seconds. And in the fourth option, you can just start and the timer will start. If you press for it, your value will get increased, your seconds will get increased by 30 seconds. So that's it about the microwave project. We've built this from scratch with the help from our mentor, and I'm very thankful to have learned this. We have four modes of operations, as I have told, which are micro mode, grill mode, convection mode, and start mode. To build this oven, we need CLCD, matrix keypad, and timer. Now let us see the microwave oven applications. Microwave ovens are versatile appliances that can be used for various everyday tasks. Here are some simple microwave oven applications in real life. We can be used for the heating leftovers. One of the most common uses of a microwave is to quickly and easily reheat the leftover food. Thawing frozen food. When you need to thaw frozen food items like meat, poultry, or vegetables in a hurry, a microwave can be a handy tool. Cooking microwavable meals like many pre-packaged meals like microwavable popcorn, instant oatmeal, and frozen dishes are designed to be cooked in a microwave. It can also be used as steaming vegetables. You can use a microwave to steam fresh vegetables by placing them in a microwave safe container with a lid on microwave safe plastic wrap. I would like to give a very heartfelt thank you to the Emertxe team and a teacher who have helped us gain new skills. I would also like to acknowledge the excellent training programs and resources provided by Emertxe. The hands-on experience I gained while working on real-world embedded project has been instrumental in enhancing my skills and knowledge in the field. Once again, thank you, Emertxe, for this incredible internship opportunity. I am deeply appreciative of everything I have gained during my time, and I look forward to carrying forward the valuable lessons and experiences into the next phase of my career. Thank you.